as you are aware that on 2024, 9 December onwards, we had barred or we had put a ban on Bangladeshi tourists coming to Siliguri, that none of the hotels are going to provide rooms to the Bangladeshi tourists, because the way Indian flag was disrespected and the statements made, provocative statements made by few netas in Bangladesh, that the disturbance in Siliguri corridor and northeast will be done. So in that regard, we had stopped giving rooms to the Bangladeshi tourists coming through Siliguri. But now, since in 2026, on 12th of February, normally elected government, a democratically elected government has come into power, and on 17th of February, swearing-in ceremony was done, where our Honorable Speaker, Mr. Om Birla, was present in the swearing-in ceremony. And after that, we noticed that the normalcy between both the nations are coming out, and visa relaxations are again put into place. I mean, the visas are again going to be given to both the countries. And we have also seen in the news or through our sources that Mitali Express, which was actually run from NGP to Dhaka, it will be again run within 15 to 20 days. So this indicates that the normalcy is going to be restored in a short while. So the members of the Hotel Association of Siliguri, they have taken a decision via voting through WhatsApp that we are also not going to put the ban, extend the ban. We are going to lift the ban on Bangladeshi tourists from today onwards. And hence, the decision was taken that from today onwards, all the Bangladeshi tourists coming to Siliguri are welcomed, and there will be no problems for the Bangladeshi tourists to stay in the Siliguri hotels. Before the trouble started in Bangladesh in 2004 August, the normal expectancy was between 35 to 40,000 a month, and it came drastically down to 1,200 to 1,500 per month after the problem started. And we are expecting the normalcy to be restored within a month or so. Obviously. We are a bigger brother of Bangladesh, so we don't want any problems. Neither we are the enemy of the state. Bangladesh is also a smaller brother. So this kind of decision, while taking a decision on ban, that kind of decision was painful to us and all the member hotels, but we had to take it because nation always comes first. But now, since the normalcy is being restored slowly, so we think this decision will obviously help in building two state nations.
So what is the say to the Bangladeshi brothers?
I would request them, first of all, I'd like to thank them for a nice voting process which they have democratically elected their government. And I want to give a message to them that we are our elder brothers, we are not your enemy. So in regard to that, make sure the peacefulness is restored and normalcy is restored, because if any provocative statements are again made, I don't think so relations will be better, it will be bitter. We are not in favor of bitter relationship, so I hope this decision will obviously make the relationship a better one.